Okay, here we are. Answers and practice to our fingerspelling recognition exercise. Right. So, I had fingerspell, the person, place, movie, and a phone number. Now you're wondering, did I get the answers right? Well, here we go. Person, Sandra Bullock. Bullock. Place, Space Needle. The movie was Wonder Woman. And the phone number, 490-520-4417. Okay, so we have the answers. How'd you do? Well, now we're going to spend the rest of this lesson fingerspelling and signing everything. Because the phone number, I guess we wouldn't call it fingerspelling because it's not letters, but we'll sign the phone number. So let's jump in and start with the person. Who is the person? Well, she's Sandra Bullock. So here we go. Let's do the letters first, nice and slow. We'll speed up as we go. S-A-N-D-R-A-B-U-L-L-O-C-K. Okay, so for Sandra, we're going to spell that first name here. Then we're going to move over just a little bit and sign Fingerspell Bullock. And on the last letter of Sandra, we're going to pause just for a moment. Then move over to the last name. So let's do it. Here we go. Sandra, pause, Bullock. Let's keep going. Sandra, Bullock. All right. Sandra, Bullock. Okay, a couple of things. We're doing a lot of repetition here, and you might be thinking, well, what's the point of that? Well, there's a very important point. The more you practice something, the more it prepares your body, your hand in this case, to fingerspell future words that might be similar or have a similar series of letters. Now, A-N, how common is it to have A-N or A-N-D or R-A in sign language, or when you're fingerspelling, you're spelling words, whatever. So if we're practicing here, it gets it in our body, mind, body, motion, memory. Okay, another thing is that some people might not move to the side for the second letter. They might stay where they are. More likely than not, though, they're going to make sure to pause on the last letter before going to the next one. Also, the goal is to sign each letter smoothly at about the same speed. All right, so we're going to go like this, Sandra, S-A-N-D-R-A. We wouldn't go like S-A-N-D-R-A. No, it's just too jumpy and it's difficult to follow what's happening. So just trying to maintain a consistent speed. If you're going too fast and your fingers are getting all jumbled up, just slow down, right? Now, I remember, and it still happens, that it's like I just need to go as fast as I can. Well, I think it's even more important to be understood. So just because I fingerspell like 1,000,000 miles a minute, I'm like, yes. Everybody else is like, what the heck, right? So communication, clear communication is the goal. All right, let's keep fingerspelling. Here we go. Fingerspell with me. Sandra, Bullock. All right, I'm sure you noticed the double letter, the two L's. So one L, another one off to the side. Sandra, Bullock. All right, speeding up. Sandra, Bullock. All right, moving forward. What is the place? Well, it's the Space Needle. So here we go. The letters first. S, P, A, C, E. Pause. Move over. N, E, E, D, L, E. All right, so we have the Space Needle. All right, let's do it. Space, needle. All right, remember that double letter, double E, one E and then the second E. You can bounce a little bit or just slide to the side. you're going to bounce, make it a small bounce. We wouldn't want to go, wow, right? People are like, wow, what are they doing? Right? Here we go. Space, needle. Lots of repetition. Space, needle. Space, needle. Okay, so we're moving forward. What is the movie? Well, it's Wonder Woman. Yes, it is. So here we go with the letters. W, O, N, D, E, R. Pause. Move over. W, O, M, A, N. Okay, so let's do it. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. Okay, one thing with the W, you're going to notice as you speed up, it's less likely that it's perfectly formed, all right? Now, I don't know about your hand, but for me, for some reason, it's just, you got to pinch down that pinky and do all that stuff with the fingers up, and it just seems reluctant to go really quick, right? So as you speed up, the W might look more like this, a little bit bent, but it's still pretty easy to tell that it's a W because you got those 3 fingers up, right? So let's speed up for Wonder Woman. Here we go. Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman. All right, moving forward to what is the phone number into numbers? Yes. So 490-520-4417. If that's your phone number, I'm not creepy. It's just a random number, a random number generator that I found on the internet. All right. So let's do it nice and slow. We have the numbers. 490. I'm pausing. 520. Pause again. 4417. Okay. Now, in case you're wondering, these numbers here, palm forward, palm facing in, what? Well, palm forward all, the whole time, because it's a series of numbers, serial number, house number, social security number, phone number. Leave the palm facing forward, all right? Palm facing backward for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is if you're just counting, right? I'm just going to count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So 6 through 10 is going to be palm facing forward. 1 through 5 is palm facing back. But we're not worried about counting now. We're worried about doing a number. So here we go. 490 520 4417. All right. Now, just like we would say it in English, 490-520-4417, it just feels natural to say it with a pause in between the smaller groups. I also think it helps with remembering it when someone's telling you the phone number, right? To put it down into bite-sized pieces. So we're going to do that when we fingerspell, when we sign as well. All right. So I'm doing 490. I'm pausing for a moment. Then I do the next group, 520, pause, 4417. Double number, so just do the same thing with the double letter, 4 and 4. All right, another option you may see, it's possible, is that we have 3 separate groups. Remember when we did the names, we had 2 groups, so we did 1 group and then move over for the second group. Now it's possible, you may see 490, pause, move over for the second group, 520, then move over again for the third group, 4417. Now, with the third group, I moved in because the idea here is to keep your hand in like this box area because it's very easy to maintain eye contact while taking in the signs. Right. So to be consistent here, for the phone number, I'm going to leave my hand in one place and I'm just going to pause at the end of the smaller group of numbers. All right, so let's do it again. 490 520 4417. Again. 490 520 4417. Okay, wonderful. Let's see what we have. All right, so we did everything, all of the answers. Why don't we do it again? Just go down the list and fingerspell and then sign the number. Let's do it all. I'll go at a nice speed and just do it with me. Here we go. Sandra Bullock. Space. Needle. Wonder. Woman. 490-520-4417. Okay, maybe another note. As I was changing between the names, you probably noticed that my hand went down. It went out of the finger spelling signing area here. It kind of went down. And it's just a natural pause when we're going through names or whatever. I suppose if you want to leave it up there, you really want to. For me, it just seems natural. I did the name, Sandra Bullock. I go back down, go to the next one, Space Needle, go down, Wonder Woman, down, and then up to the number. All right, we did it all. Fabulous. Able Lingo is stupendous. I wish I didn't have to work so I could spend more time training ASL. Funny, engaging, the format helps me retain as I'm very visual in my learning structure. Bruce left this review for our Holly Arrested Kurt course. Now, yes, this is a very unique course, and the process is that you're going to learn individual signs, and the purpose is you take those signs and you can sign complete statements or questions, and then you take those statements, those sentences, and sign a complete narrative. About what? About Holly arresting Kurt and their little situation. So you jump in, you sign, and you get experience signing a full narrative. It's a unique course. And this is one of over 35 courses included in our ASL bundle. So if you're looking for a place where it's just relaxed, all right, there's no like strict school environment, is go at your own pace, no stress, have fun, here you go. We've got so much content, and each course is designed to include complete beginners. So if you have a little bit of skills and you're an improving signer, great. If you have no skills whatsoever and you're like, sign language, awesome, I want to learn, but I don't know anything, great. We're literally going to teach you step by step by step. And we're going to test you along the way, signing and understanding, make sure it's sticking in your brain, and that you can use these skills when you get out in the real world. Whatever random life situation, life throws something at you, that you can sign and understand. So important. Okay, go to ablelingo.com, explore our stuff, take your time, preview the full lessons, make sure that our teaching style, our environment, our way of doing things, make sure that it matches, it fits with your learning style. Okay, Bruce, thank you for including us in your sign language journey.